Meron daw kayong ginagawang campaign ngayon para sa All Women Sports Awards. Tell us about it.
Yes, in line with the United Nations theme of Invest in Women, Accelerate Progress, at saka ng PCW, Philippine Commission on Women's mantra, Tipunang Patas sa Bagong Pilipinas, Kakayahan ng Kapabaihan, Patutunayan. We have come up with an All-Women Sports Award. I think kauna-unahan lang itong talagang all-women in sports. Hindi lang ito mga atleta, pati ang mga coaches, pati ang technical officials, sports administrators, sports advocates, sports educator, journalists, at saka lahat basta involved sa sports. At paggawa sila ng significant contribution for the betterment or for sports. Kaya lahat sila ay bibigyan namin ng parangal. We recognize the power of sports to bring positive impact to society. And of course, we want to maximize sports as a platform to bring positive change in with the women's sector.
Opo.
Kaya ito ang first Women's Sports Award para ma-inspire din yung mga atleta ngayon na magpursige para mabigyan ng medalya para sa bansa.
Opo. Pero, Ma'am Bong, syempre, hindi naman pwedeng exempted si Bongku sa award na yan.
Actually, meron kami Lifetime Achievement Award.
Oh.
Meron kami Flame. Alam mo yung Flame? Ito yung mga atletang still active ngayon, nakapagpanalo, like Hidlin Diaz, nakapagpanalo at nagbigay ng inspirasyon sa mga kabataan.
Opo.
So, marami din sila. Bukod dun sa bawat sport. I think this is the first also kasi ang mga nagbigay ng nomination ay yung mga National Sports Association. We have 75 sports, okay? Lahat sila hiningan namin ng nominee sa na female sports of the year. Female hindi ba athlete of the year? What do you call this? Prominent atleta nila for the year. At meron na kaming 136 nominations. So, tinitingnan namin baka mga 150 awardees dito.
Wow.
Ma'am Bong, balikan ko lang yung yung the awards itself. I believe sinabi niyo rin po na sa tagal-tagal niyong naging atleta, you've never received an award like this and you are the most decorated athlete that we have. Lord, actually, parang tama po ba ma'am? Para 78 medals po ata. All
79.
in all, 79 medals. Ma'am, gaano ka-importante to have this kind of special award and not just award athletes in general?
No, actually may mga awards before, di ba? Kaya lang Athlete of the Year award o prominent athlete of the year. Kaya lang babae at lalaki. I mean,
Yes.
it's not, pero ngayon only all female. So, ibig sabihin ko, kasi there are some sports na significant yung panalo ng babae, pero may mas magtaas na pinanalo yung male counterpart, kaya hindi sila nabibigyan ng award.
Opo.
Pero ito, all women lang, for women alone. So, kaya I think this is the first na ganon.
Opo.